Good morning. Welcome to Occam's Razors, gardening, cooking, and canning. Where we check our garden growth every morning. The birds are out this morning. They've had a night of rain. It's a cool 15 degrees this morning. Berries are coming in. Our compost potatoes have reached the height of their growth and they're starting to fall over before the flowering. These here have yet to flower. Well, looks like we might get more of these purple flowers. Nice. Oh, our midget pepper's finally growing taller. Our tomato has almost made it out of the basket. This tomato has made it out of the basket. Our peppers still coming along fine. Oh, slug activity. There's our sunflower. And has our other sunflower started? Nothing yet. Okay. Right, well, let's walk down to the end. Well, here's our corner potato plots. A little late to start, but finally they're going. Still coming along fine. Now our other potato plot. Ah, yes. Look at you guys, eh? Starting to flop over. No serious signs of bug activity. Oh, we have peas from yesterday. These were not there. Look at that. Oh, I'm still getting used to where my camera is. There we go. Look at that. Huh. Well, and this one here. We'll be eating peas this weekend. Very nice. Wow. What a difference a day makes. I guess I am the first with peas on the block. Just amazing. Okay. Our onion plot. Still onioning along. The other kale is bolting from last year. I planted a bunch of kale. It doesn't seem to be coming up. All the seeds from this bolt will provide more seeds. Well, Dill Alley is flopped over from all the rain. It'll pick itself up. Ooh, another growth shoot. Yeah, look at the carrots. Now our zucchinis. From what I checked last night, not too much more growth. But these guys, these are really starting here. Huh? Okay, see, the vines are starting. Ooh, just from touching that squash plant. Ooh, does my hand ever smell green? Squash green. All right, our last squash bed. There we go. Peas. Peas are not grabbing on. Okay. There's some vine activity here. Have to keep an eye on that today. Make sure it doesn't come into the walk area. Okay, well, let's go to the front and see how they made out. Here we are on the front. Our lavender continues to grow. Lavender, very nice. There's our sunflower. Here, our other sunflower that refuses to die after its bottom was knocked off. Very good. That one looks like it's going to make it. Still don't see any other squashes coming up. And our other ones there are doing fine. This sunflower plant here, it's going to beat them all. It's going to be the tallest one. Oh, I think I see something. Yep, that looks like a squash. See if he makes it. And our morning glories continue to climb. And our birdshit berry bush. No, I see a few more of those scratchy catchy have popped out, but at least I did get rid of most of them. There should be a card on the inside about now of the video, if you're watching on YouTube, to link to that video. And look at this. Look at this red. I might get these berries today. Might have to start picking this afternoon. Ideally, you want them to turn dark. Almost like a blue. Well, we have peas soon. We have berries soon. Outstanding. Right. Well, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.